This is a quick walkthrough of the summary documents provided with every single deposition transcript. This is the first of the two documents. This summary document begins with a deposition abstract at the top, which is a high-level overview of what was discussed in the transcript in narrative format with no citations. Underneath, we begin with the key admissions section. The key admissions section, think of them as a few recommendations for a lawyer to review that may be important to the context of the case. Underneath the key admissions section is where the actual page line summary begins. And you'll know it begins because you'll see the table of contents. So what we've done is we've broken up the entire deposition transcript into distinct chapters. This page line summary is comprehensive in order, beginning to end. It includes every single question and answer from the deposition transcript. Where one chapter ends, the next chapter will begin on the very next line of dialogue. You can click into these chapters and begin to read through the page line summary. So on the left, we have topics identified. And on the right, we have the narrative summary of that topic with a citation associated. Our topics are precise, and we can guarantee the accuracy of these citations. In addition to this summary document, we provide what's called a deposition memo. The deposition memo is unlike the page line summary in that it is not in order beginning to end. It is also not comprehensive. We exclude information that we think might not be important to the case. Instead, what we've done is we've taken the entire transcript and we've identified the most salient themes and issues and created a list of those themes or issues, taken the testimony related to each theme or issue, and put it in the same part of this document as it relates to that theme or issue. So if we wanted to get to all of the times that they talked about allegations of racial harassment in the transcript, we click on that section. It takes us to that part of the memo and we can begin to read through. Just like the other document, this document contains 100% accurate page and line citations, which you can click on. It takes you down into the deposition transcript where we've brought in the full transcript, and then you can click summary to go right back above. One of the great things about our summaries is not only are the topics that are identified very precise, but the citations are guaranteed to be 100% accurate. And so these summaries become not just an easier way to digest the information from the deposition transcript, but also a tool for creating other types of court documents like motion for summary judgments or mediation briefs or statements of facts. And you can find information that might be important, like when they talked about her brother's job security. And if we're creating a statement of fact as an example, you can go right into that document and paste those citations as evidence to support any type of allegation that you're making.